No, but congratulations, Nicole, because you graduated, wow, summa cum laude. Mula po sa San Francisco State University.
Yes,
How proud were you?
So proud. I always tell people that she's my pride and joy. A lot of things may have not been perfect in my life, but she's the most perfect thing. That's been close to perfect that was given to me by God.
How do you respond to that?
I'm not perfect, but I guess I'm like so close to it.
Ah.
According to mommy, di ba? Pero whenever po she expresses pride sa akin, parang napupuno po yung loob ko. I feel like may tama po akong ginagawa.
Oh. And you are doing a lot of things right. During your graduation, your mom was there, your dad was there,
Yes.
Norman. How was that?
It felt po different. Pero at the same time, para po siyang invigorating. Kasi parang nabuo ulit yung pamilya. And not just that, kasi meron na pong addition sa mga family namin. So my mom and my titas po, they were there po sa graduation ko. My dad and my stepmom. I feel like siguro kailangan talaga mag-diverge ng paths nila for the family to be more whole.
Parang sinasabi mo ngayon that you have a better understanding.
Yes po.
Did you explain to Nicole nung naghiwalay kayo ni Norman?
I did as much as I can, Kuya Boy, at that time because she was only 7 years old. At alam naman nating mga magulang kapag hindi talaga nagkakasundo ang tatay, ang nanay, at kailangan talaga nating mag-part ng ways kahit na mahirap sa ating mga kalooban, sa damdamin, at masakit para sa pamilya natin. I think it is the responsibility of either the father or the mother to tell or break the news to their child. And that's what I did.
Did you understand? Naunawaan mo nung nalaman mo at ipinaliwanag sa'yo na nagkahiwalay ang mom at dad?
Honestly po, nung bata ako, hindi ko po talaga siya naintindihan. Akala ko kailangan na may taong ibe-blame. Pero hindi po yun realistic. Kasi sometimes, ngayon na mas matanda ako, people are just different. And sometimes life takes you to different paths. And that's okay. If anything, sometimes it makes it better. So ngayon na mas matanda na ako, mas may pag-unawa na ako. Kasi may mga sacrifices po silang ginawa. Even just to stay together for as long as they did, lalo na para sa akin. So I'm so thankful for them po, both of them.
Pero this understanding is now happening in hindsight, di ba? Now that you're 24, you have a better understanding. Now at 24, you realize na magkaiba, may mga problema, etc. Pero nung ikay bata, paano ka naapektuhan? Were you asking the difficult questions?
I was asking if it was me, kung ako yung may kasalanan.
Oh.
Kasi yung problem po nun is nasa Pilipinas kami, my dad naman nasa US. So, dahil ba nandito ako at malayo tayo, hindi pwede maging buo yung pamilya natin. I've always had doubts. And I thought, well, hindi pwede si mommy magkamali. Si daddy hindi pwede magkamali. Pero ako, siguro I knew nung bata pa ako na I saw myself as human. So kung silang dalawa, both of my idols, my heroes, hindi pwede magkamali. Siguro sa akin yung mali.
Oh. Okay. And then of course you realized na hindi pala ganon.
Hindi pala.
Did you know this, Cheryl? Were you aware?
Yeah, actually, this is a revelation. This is a revealing moment for me. And actually, I understand her better for that.
Ang akala niya siya ang may kasalanan.
Yes. At nakakalungkot, nakakasama ng loob na ganun pala yung mga nararamdaman ng mga anak natin na hindi naman natin alam. They're just there in the crosshairs ng pagkahalimbawa at nagkahiwalay ang magulang, di ba? Kahit na nagmamahalan yung magulang natin, pero talagang hindi na sila magkasundo, it doesn't mean na it's a failure on the children's part or on the child's part.
Unexpressed yung iba.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
Hindi na-articulate, hindi na ipapaliwanag.
Yes.
Ika nga ng isang kaibigan, they just ride the tide.
Yes.
Kasi maraming mga bagay talaga ang hindi naiintindihan.